So today's our topic is square and square roots. Now basically we will understand what are squares. Square is when any number is multiplied with the same number, which gives the answer as square. For example, if we take the number as 2 multiplied with the same number 2 gives the answer 4. So this 4 can be termed as square of 2. Now, in other words, we can term it as x multiplied by x. This dot represents the sign of multiplication. Gives you the answer as x. So, for example, if the number 16 is multiplied with 16 again, gives the answer as 256. So this 256 is square of. Now sometimes we get confused with square roots. Question may be asked as find the square or find the square root of 16. These two questions differs in language. We take as question number 1 as find the square of 16. This can be termed as square of 16 gives you 16 square, which is 256. Now if the same question can be asked as find the square root of 16. These two questions differ in the language of square and square root. Now check it as square root of 16 gives you 4. Square of 16 gives you 256. Square root of 16 gives you 4. This is our. Now sometimes you may be asked with the questions like this. If find the number whose square is 1024. Find the number whose square is 1024. Let the number is x. X is equals to 1024. Now it is written as find the number whose square is, which gives x square, or x square is equals to 1024. When we take the square root of both sides, we get x is equals to 1024. This is square and this is under root, which implies that x to the power 2, and this root sign can be changed in the form of 1 by 2 is 1024. Now on solving this, we get x to the power 2 into 1 by 2 gives you 32. This 2 cancels with this 2, gives you x is equals to 32. So the number whose square is 1024 is number 32. These are very simple questions which can be asked in your competitive exams also. Sometimes the questions can be asked like this: how to find the square of two numbers without actually multiplying the two numbers. The question can be asked: how to find the square of a number without actually multiplying the number. So the first method is column method. COLUMN, column. Now in this method, first of all, it is applicable only for 2 digits. It is applicable only for 2 digits. The digits lying between 10 to 99. This is the range. How to use the column method? First of all, take any number. Let's say we take the number as 23. We have to find the square of 23 without actually multiplying the number 23 with the same number. We know that after solving 23 into 23, the answer can be, we can check also, 23 multiplied by 23 gives you 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6 and 2 2 is 4. 9 2 5 gives you answer as 529. Now, how to use the column method? First of all, make a column and divide this column in 3 parts. Put a line. In the first column write a square, second column you write 2ab, and a third column you write b square. We have to find the square of number 23. First term can be written as a, the second term can be written as b. This a square gives you the answer as 4. 2ab can be solved separately over here. 2 into a is 2, b is 3, gives you 3 to the 6 to the 12. B square gives you the answer as 9. Now this unit digit can be written separately over here, and this whole digit is added in the term of a square. When we add this term, we get 12 plus 4, 0 is added over here, we get as 2. This 1 again added over here, we get 12, we get 4 plus 1 gives you 5. Answer comes as 529, which you get earlier also. So if we do this question in a fair work, let's say once again we have to find the square of 57. Term this number as a, this number as b. Make a column. The first column put a square, second column put 2ab, third column put b square. A is 5, gives you 25. 2ab can be calculated separately over here, gives you 70. B square is 49. As I told you earlier, put this unit digit over here and add this digit in this number, gives you 74. Once again take this unit digit over here and put separately over here, add 7 in this term, gives you 32. This whole number 3249 is the square of 57. So this is the fastest method to find the square of any number. Take example of, like, number can be taken as 87. Now we have to find the square of 87. Take this number as a, this number as b. Now once again make the column. Put a square over here, 2ab and b square. A is 8, a square gives you 64. You can calculate these terms separately so that no rough work can be done by you. You can do this whole work in a separate sheet, or make a column separately on your answer book and write over here rough book, so that no happenings or no mismatch can be done in your answer book. So 2ab can be calculated. 2 into a is 8, 7 gives you 8 7 is 56, 56 into 2, calculate, always calculate, 60 or 12 gives you 112. So a square is 64, 2ab gives you 112, and b square can be taken as 49. Once again, as I told you earlier, take the unit date right over here, add this 4, we get 116. Once again, take the unit date, put it over here, add the remaining 11 in the next digit, gives you 75. So 7569 is your answer. So square of 87 when calculated gives you 7569. So basically we understand till now is column method. Now another topic which we will study here is methods for finding square roots. Another topic is methods of finding square roots. Basically there are two methods. First method is PFM, broadly known as prime factorization. Second method is LDM, known as long division. First of all, we will study about PFM and how to use this method. Let's say we have to find the square root of 729. To start with, make a column like this. Right over here 729. Now see, the unit date of the number is 9. We cannot divide this number with 2, so start with 3. We all know about the divisibility of number 3, which is we add all the rates 7 plus 2 plus 9, and if the number which we get after adding the rates is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. 7 plus 2 9 plus 9 gives you 18. 18 is divisible by 3, so this number is also divisible by 3. So to start with, when we divide this number with with 3, we get the answer as 243. Once again, the unit rate is 3. We cannot divide this number with 2. Once again, start with 3. We get the number as 81. Then once again divide with 3. We get the number as 27. Divide the number with 3. We get 9. Divide the number with 3. We get 3. Divide the number with 3. We get 1. So the pairs we get of 729 are, always use prime factors. As the name says, prime factorization. The name says itself, we have to use only prime factors. Prime factors, we all know that 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So prime factors of 729 we get as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So in the case of square root, always forms a pair of 2 of the same numbers. Form the pair of 2 and take one number from each pair. We get 3 from this pair into 3 into 3. We get the answer as 27. So square root of 729 gives you the answer of 27. You can check this method with other example as find the square root of 784. To start with, 784, we divide this number with 2 because the unit root of this number is 4. We get 392. Again divide with 2, we get 196. Again divide this number with 2, we get 98. Again divide with 2, we get 49. Again divide with 7, not 2, not 3, not 5, then 7. Now write the prime factors of 784 separately over here. We get 2 into 2 forms a pair, forms a pair, forms a pair, into 7 into 7. So the pair we got 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 7 into 7. As I told you earlier, take each and every term from each pair. We get 2 into 2 into 7. We get answer as 28. We take 2 from this, 2 from this, and 7 from this. The answer is 28. Till now we have discussed the PFM method. Now the second method is LDM, that is long division method. We will discuss this method with an example. Take an example as we have to find the square root of the number 390625. Now to start with the method of prime factorization method, it will take you a long time. So we use LDM method so that we can save our time also, and as all the guys don't know about the multiples, don't know about the tables, so LDM method is the fastest method than PFM method. To start with, write the number over here, make 2 pairs. Starting from the unit digit, make 2 pairs. If for example you left with a single digit over here, let's say the number is 16129, one pair, second pair, third pair, the left digit is only 1 and no pair is formed, then put a 0 over here and then forms a pair. So this is also a pair, this is also a pair, this is also a pair, and this is also a pair. Each pair can be termed as period. So always start with the square of the number. Let's say 1 into 1 gives you 1, 2 into 2 gives you 4. 3 into 3 gives you 9. 4 into 4 gives you 16. 5 into 5 gives you 25. 6 into 6 gives you 36. And 7 into 7 gives you 49. Now stop over here because we require only 36. Write the 6 3 times. First over here, second over here, and third over here. Add this, we get 12. Write over 36. We get 9 minus 6 gives you 3. Always take the whole pair downwards, not the single digit as we did in division method. Now once again start with 121 into 1 gives you 122. 122 into 2 gives you 244. 123 into 3 gives you 369. We require only 306, so cancel this and take the term as 2. Write 2 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Add this term, we get 124, and put 244 over here. Subtract this. 6 minus 4 gives you 2. 10 minus 4 gives you 6. Take the whole pair downwards. 25. Now this number 124 can be multiplied with 5. Gives you 5 5 25, 5 4 22, 5 4 10 2, 6. 6 2 to 5 is the required digit, and the remainder comes as 0.